MTD Global are in Tamworth today with Jim, the President of Air Quality Engineering. Now, you're based in America, but you seem to be cleaning up here in the UK.
Yes. We manufacture in our facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Actually, we're in a northern suburb called Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. We have a 40,000 square foot facility. We do all of our own metal fabrication and assembly at that site. Roughly 23% of our business right now is international, so outside the United States. And we've launched this product with Brown & Holmes here in the UK.
What is your strategy here in the UK? How do you see yourselves growing in the UK and across the world further? We have certainly seen more of a necessity for air filtration.
That same necessity is across the globe. We're finding that in different countries in which we service, whether that be as close to us as Canada and Mexico and South America, or as far away as Bangkok, Thailand. There's this need to be able to provide cleaner environments, both for customers coming in to visit, as well as just cleaner environments for the employees.
So the necessity seems to be the same, but what sets your technology apart from your competitors?
I think twofold. One is that we have a technology that is designed around low cost energy consumption. That's a major piece. The second is it's a technology that is reusable. We're able to reuse these filters. They're electronic cells. All they need to do is be washed, maintained, put back into the unit, and you're back up and running. There's no disposable filter associated with them. And then thirdly, the versatility of these units, that they're designed for a significant number of machining applications.
So firstly, let's have a look at the filters. So you say, Jim, that these are unique and they can be maintained rather than replaced. That's got to be quite a large cost saving?
That's a significant savings. Depending on what country you're in, there's not only the association of throwing out a media filter, but there's the cost associated with having to have to dispose of it based on the requirements that the government or local municipality may have around disposal of filters.
Also, I would assume, your machine could be down as a direct result of not being able to kind of clear the air. Another nice USP really is the fact that you're claiming that you're reducing electricity costs. How is this achieved through this technology?
Different technologies, filtration technologies in the market, require different amounts of energy to drive them. This technology is a very low cost energy consumption technology, and that's how we've been able to do it. Both the technology as well as the components that we're using within the unit itself.
Jim, you told me you're going to be exhibiting at IMTS next year in Chicago. Hopefully MTD will be able to catch up with you there. But until then, what message would you give the world market in regards to clean air filtration?
I think the major message is, us as a company, we are trying to develop partnerships with companies that have both a knowledge of machining as well as a knowledge of filtration. Many companies have a knowledge of one of those two expertises, but to find companies that can marry the two of those together, they're able to provide the best pre- and post-sale support to end users. And that's what we're looking to accomplish, both with Brown & Holmes in the UK, but also across the globe with our other partners.
Jim, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to find out about new innovations and technology, and this certainly has some USPs. So, the Mistbuster from Air Quality Engineering.